The greatest story never unsold. As a business owner, you already know, in today's economic climate, it's rare for anyone to have too much business. You have things you need, but you have a shortage of cash. This is because your customers are facing the same problem, and there's not enough cash going around for everyone. Thousands of businesses everywhere of all sizes have successfully tackled these seemingly perpetual problems by discovering the power of trade exchanges. Like them, if you're operating at less than full capacity, if you have excess stock you need to move, if your growth is restricted by your cash flow, and if you're open to alternative methods to increase your profits and new ways of doing business, then we can show you how to benefit from the power of a trade exchange. At a trade exchange, a business and its customers can exchange what they have to get what they need. Rather than liquidating or discounting what they sell, businesses that use the power of trade exchanges can realize close to their market value. In the business exchange, one company's unsold capacity or products is another company's need or expense. Unsold or dead capital can be transformed into new income. Unsold, such as advertising, airlines, hotels, labor, manufacturers, printers, retailers, restaurants, services, etc. Unsold that can be sold for the same value while reducing your cash flow. How? Say you have a product at a wholesale price for £50 that has a retail value of £100. You exchange that product, transforming unsold into new income that is used to buy your existing expenses. You conserve cash because businesses buy at their wholesale cost of goods sold. So £100 worth of printing actually cost you £50 and you saved £50. Good businesses already know how to barter, and it benefits their cash flow, but they also understand the problem with traditional barter. It's the incidence of coincidence. The difficulty of finding someone who has what you want, who wants what you have, at the same value at the same time. Barter is difficult one-to-one and becomes almost impossible when you add more businesses in a barter chain. Like any chain, it is only as strong as its weakest link, and if one party can't fulfill the deal, then the whole chain breaks. This is where a trade exchange steps in. We remove the incidence of coincidence. You start by offering your unsold into our members' trading pool. There is no incidence of coincidence required, and no direct swapping is needed. So how does it work? Instead of using your precious cash, which you'd want to hold on to, you use trade credits. One trade credit can be used to purchase £1 of value. Trade credits work just like cash, except they are created directly by the work of the members of the exchange, created mutually as needed by the people who need it. You can earn trade credits by doing business in the exchange, or can purchase what you need in advance and through mutual obligation, repaying through subsequent sales with other members. There is no fancy accounting. All of the negative plus all of the positive member trade credit balances in the system will always equal 0. We connect your business with those who need what you sell and sell what you need, creating a community of like-minded businesses that complement each other. And within the trading pool, members will be your suppliers and will ultimately be loyal to you, because like you, they don't want to use their hard-earned cash. So we create the ultimate loyalty system. You buy from them and they buy from you. And there are no middlemen. You know the people you are dealing with and can negotiate the price and any other conditions relevant to the transaction. Our role is only to facilitate and monitor the integrity of the exchange. Through a series of checks, guarantees, and warranties, we ensure our clients' interests are protected at all times. And the mutual obligation between members is ensured, maintaining the value of your hard-earned trade credits. Trade credits work just like cash. Even taxes are the same. Profit generated is taxable, and the same expenses are tax deductible. And all transactions and accounting are taken care of by our state-of-the-art global exchange trading systems, and works just like normal cash accounting that can be incorporated into what you already use. Finally, while using a trade exchange can't completely replace cash, it does allow the forward-thinking business person to capitalize on opportunities, to make extra sales, to save cash, and to build a more productive, more profitable, stronger business. And aside from a small joining fee, it costs nothing until it works for you. And even then, the business exchange only charges a small commission when a successful transaction is concluded. And you're right. If you're the kind of business person who's never caught a plane, never entertained a client, doesn't use accountancy, nor ever incentivized your staff, and you're lucky to have a full order book and no spare capacity, there's probably nothing in the business exchange pool you'd want to sell or buy. However, if you do, your business could join all the other companies globally who already use the power of exchange to improve their business performance. Contact us.